Good morning, y'all.
Traveling played a big role in my life. With most cities on lockdown, public transportation is shut. I decided to ride my bike and explore the area around me.
Hoy, butas! Alimango sa dit!
This is my travel adventures in Pambuhan. From my hometown, it will take me 2 hours riding my bike to the up and down slopes going to Masalong-Salong, where I will be camping.
Just taking a small break. Man, going uphill, downhill with this bike, struggle. Maybe I'm like 1 hour away to where I'm going for camping. So you guys see where those rains are, that mountain right there. That's where I'm gonna be going camping today. So we are getting close to my camping spot. Just enjoying the view.
It was already late at night when I met with my friend and showed me where I can camp for the night.
So I'm now out here, solo camping, out of nowhere. And basically I'm on top of the hill where you can see the whole ocean and then the mountain behind me. I don't see anything right now, it's cloudy. I'm hoping the clouds will clear, I get a good view of the stars, and then make some time lapse. Good morning, y'all. So we had like a really cool stars last night. It's amazing. And now we are ready to catch the sunrise. Good morning, everyone. Sa nakikita ninyo, nandito ako ngayon sa tuktok ng bundok mag-isa, camping. Okay, well, sun is almost up, so let's get ready. I don't think this time lapse is gonna happen. Sun is already up. It's covered with clouds. Anyway, let's end this. Okay, well, here's another example of seashells na pwede mong kainin dito sa Pambuhan. This one. Since the lockdown, ngayon na lang din ulit ako makakapunta sa dagat. And now, we're gonna go out, swim, see if we can get any fish. So this is where I'm gonna be staying tonight. Not in the house though, but I'm gonna be sleeping in my tent here. Yep, it's a great view.
My friend, together with his kids, helped me out clearing the area where I will be camping for the day.
Kaso paulangan mo lang talaga dakulang lugar. Malawak. Ano?
Iya.
Samantala ito sa Muya, 120 lang. Islab.
Elemento pa.
Ito po sila, oh. Ang ganda-ganda, ang sipag-sipak po nila. Ito po. Ang ganda po dito. Ito po ang bahay namin. Bahay po. At ito po, oh. Yung nagagamas po sila.
Marata ka mo dyan, ha? Nasisirapan ka na pati, oh. Mayo kang brief.
Oh. Ma-push up. Kusog. Kusog.
Baka mapasobra.
Kusog po yan, kusog.
Dapat palang bantayan ni ano? Bantayan na gamit po, tumabanin kita.
Ay, dahil mang ganun mawala yan.
Day, mahirap na, mamahalo na.
Drakulang mariapain.
Para gusto mo.
Kahit alin yan, kahit kawayan nga ni.
Stay mo.
Nakano sa kamot ko. Nansipit.
Nanggagala yan, ang titikwil yan. Ay, hagul yan. Ganda na pala yun.
Si Agdanan?
Naganda na si ugat. Pwede pa man.
Pwede pa, kaya pa yan? Naba ko muna ini.
Isa mo na, hindi.
This is the real OG fishing. Ay.
Yapon mo na, hindi.
Ayan? Yung na dyan.
Ayun.
Ay. Ay, bigat.
Tugan, yung sira.
So we out here fishing real native using bamboo. This is how the locals way of fishing. Nice black sand. Purong black, oh. Paano gawin yung pang bait na yan?
So, kukunin mo yun, yung katawan.
Tapon yung ano, yung
Ulo.
tapon ng ulo.
Oh, kunin mo yun.
Laman lang.
Mm.
Nice. Meron tayong bait para sa lapu-lapu.
Yan. Dami yan. Tigas, matindi, makapal. Tulog. Hinahati-hati lang naman yan. Ito, ay wala na ito.
Wala lang siya, naglabas na.
Buhay pa, pero buhay pa siya.
Medyo malaki-laki itong isang ito, aray ko. Malaki-laki pati, oh. So tawag dito ay umang.
Umang.
Hermit crab. Wala silang sariling bahay po, no? Makakadulag pa. Pwede bang kainin yan?
Hindi.
Hindi. So ito lang gagamitin natin. Puputol-putulin.
Sige na. Hindi mo na ipain yan.
Isang ganyan kalaki?
Hindi. Hati lang.
Hati lang. Paano? Ay, paano siya?
Dapat mo may lagayan ka rin sa sarili mo.
May lagayan ka po sa'yo?
Ganyan.
Hanap tayo ng lagayan.
Diyan,
Yung mga bote-bote dito.
plastic.
Kung akala nyo na hindi na mapapakinabangan yung mga basura sa dagat, well, I just found one. Lagayan ng bait. So kung sino man nagtapon ng basurang ito, salamat. First cast. Wish me luck. Uy! Tinuto na. Di ko man palang kaulangan pa magrayo. Yung na nagdimi na to na. Well, I just lost my bait. Ay, gwa na. Uy, humali ka dyan. Baka kumani ka gusto ko. Uy, butas. Alimango sa dit. Paano ini?
Butas yan.
Bumutas ka, uy. Butas, butas. Ay!
Oh, nakula. Nakula.
Ayan na, nakalapu-lapu na isa. Pamalagan. Anong isda yan?
Ayan, andasan.
Bueno, sasarapan ko no. Di ba nag-aarali? We got a visitor. Jelly, jelly. Oh, yun sa harapan ko. Yan. Woo! Itong ano, malanit. Yung transparent to. Malanit. Yup, no, no, no. That's gonna sting.
Kaya.
Gotta stay away from that kind of jellyfish. Damn hurts, bruh. This is the only thing we catch today. Medyo maliliit pa sila pero ito na yung kakainin ko ngayong gabi. Because I don't have food here. Walang running water dito. So we rely on underground water. O yan na.
Yan.
Ay, tarog lang kayan?
Iyo.
Akala ko itong ano ka pa, may isda pa pati oh.
Oo. Igo yan.
Ganito lang kasimple yung buhay dito. That's why I'm thinking of moving here. Kasi toxic masyado sa city. Buti pa yung buhay dito. Simple lang. Tahimik. So this is where I'm gonna be eating tonight because I got no plates here. Oh yeah, I don't have fork and spoon, but I can make chopstick. Ayaw eh. Okay, let's make a chopstick. See that? I gotta stay away from those worms. They're itchy. Tawag namin yan dito is lipay. Whew. Getting goosebumps. I know this fish is kind of small, pero base dito sa mga lokal na nakatara dito is ganito talaga ang size yung mga nahuhuli nila dito, at ito na rin yung mga size na kinakain din nila. This is the main reason why sa tent ako matutulog ngayon. Look at that. Yep, sa tent ako matutulog ngayon. Oof. Oh.
Pang ano yan, pang bundok yan. Style yan.
Ganyan tayo.
Oh. Saan ka natutulog? Diyan na.
Sa atin po, sa loob.
Oh. Dapat pala may karton yan ano.
Alin?
Di tinatablan yan sa ilalim.
Ay, diamond.
Ano yung ganito ang masarap na buhay? Ano?
Oo.
Ay, dumas.
Chachapsikon ta lang talaga ini. O yan na. Mapuruto ka na.
Pwede pang vlog pa lang yung style yan. Ano?
Ay, iyo.
Ano? Iba ka? Nakaiba ngayon. Ngayon nga siya. Ngayon kutsara. Ano? Di pa ko nakakahilan.
Oh, ano nga naman naganda po mantig sa ilaw garo.
May tubig yan. Ito yung baluy yung maray.
Panghugas na sana ng plato. Panghugas lang kayo niya.
Yung puno na si Langgana naman.
Remember yung bait natin kanina, mga umang. So this is how you catch them. Hanap ka lang ng tae ng kalabaw or baka. Something like that. And you'll see them. There's one right here, a big one. And there's another one right there. Good size. Woo! They actually made a home inside my tent. I didn't even notice that. That quick. See that? They have eggs now. At gumagapang pa sila sa katawan ko ngayon. Stress. You know, I couldn't be more thankful for this tent. What the heck? Are you lost, buddy? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a big bat. I hope you can see the eyes. Oh my goodness. Where is it now?
Before I leave, I decided to cook breakfast just to give me energy for another long journey back to the city. Luckily, a jeepney heading to the city let me ride on top of the roof with my bike.
Ay, sa wakas, hindi na ako magbabike ng pagkalayo-layo.
Then all of a sudden, it started raining. Adventures everywhere, but it doesn't come by sitting around and doing nothing. You have to search for it and do it. This may be the end, but it only means to start a new one.
Just when your day's not gonna get better, pasiraan pa ako ng bike. Malas. Pag pinamalas ka talaga.